Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's wealth step-by-step review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more commissions have come in yesterday. This is a fast start commission, but more importantly in this video, I want to show you how you can earn both fast start commissions like this one here, which can get you into profit fast with wealth step by step, and also a growing monthly recurring income with this program. We, as the fastest growing team, give you paying members, and I'm going to show you some proof later on of how that's working with our team rotator. And a bit later on the video, I'm going to show you all the free tools, all the free resources, and the free training that we give you to become successful with wealth step by step. This is a complete done for you system, and we give you everything you need to be successful. So I'm live here in my Gmail account, and when you get a personal referral, you earn $10 fast start commission. So if you look at my previous video here, you'll see that so far I showed proof of $100 in fast start commissions. So this now equates to, with this one here, $110 in fast start commissions. And this is one income stream that can help you get into profit fast with wealth step by step. I talk a lot in my videos about when you join a program, getting into profit fast, but also earning a growing monthly recurring income. And that way you can, if you wish to do so, reinvest some of your profits and you can scale up faster. But the key thing with any program is to get into profit, and then also to start the month in profit with a nice recurring monthly income. So I'm going to log in. I'm live on my wealth step-by-step page here. This is the home page. There'll be a link in the description where you can get some more information. And if you want to join the fastest growing team, then you can join there with us. And I'm going to log in now and just show you the monthly recurring commission. So this is your back office. You get a free autoresponder with Matrix 1. There's your autoresponder there. And then you go into new genealogy, and this gives you your updated stats. And this is what's called the forced matrix. And what you'll see so far, so you'll see here it says blink indicates fast start bonus. So the name that's flashing, so this name here, Bernard M, is flashing here. And what this does, this indicates a fast start bonus. So that's a total commission of $54. So $44 here this month is recurring income, passive income, and the $10 is the fast start bonus on top of that. And at the moment, we're only halfway through the month, so we've still got time to build on that and earn some more commissions. What I want to talk about now is the team rotator and how we give you paying members, and just show you some proof that that works. So we all start on level 1, and then with it being a forced matrix, what happens is all those team members that have joined before you, as their levels fill up, we have to pass you paying members. So it's called a force matrix. It's a very clever compensation plan, and long term it can be lucrative if you're here for the long term with wealth step by step. So what you'll see here is that if you look at it, says their sponsor. So that means I referred this member here, and this one here was referred by Frank. So I was given a paying member here, $4 a month. And that was one referred by me. So that's one I've been given. And if we come down here, that's another one that I've been given, that one there. And this one here is another one that I've been given. So I've been given $12 of recurring income through the team rotator. And the bigger the team grows, then the faster the spillover becomes, and then the more paying members you will receive. There is an income disclaimer in the description. We're not making any claims here, but this is how the system works. This is how the compensation plan works. And you can see there it's actually working for me. So what I want to do now is just show you, this is really important. I want to show you the potential, earning potential. I'm going to log out and go on to pay plan. The earning potential of this pay plan, how you get into profit fast. One of the key things is to earn a growing monthly recurring income. So let's just look at the first matrix. Now, I just made an update to this. So if I'm going to get my little pencil out here, I can draw on here and show you. So we're going to be on here. I'm going to focus first of all on level 1. Now the update on level 1 is before, when you got your first 3, when you filled your first level. So these here are how many members go into that level. And you saw on my little diagram, my back office, that I've filled that. This is now, before you never used to earn on this, but now you do. So now when you get 3 there, 3 times 4 on that first level is $12 a month. Now, what we've got to remember is this is recurring income. As long as these members are happy, as long as they stay, you will get some that leave. That's the nature of the industry. But you saw there on my little back office genealogy, level 1, $12. Let's go on to level 2, where it starts to get more interesting. We start to get you into profit. You can get into profit with the fast start commissions. And level 2 is 9 members. And then 9 times 4, oops, no, let's just get rid of that. 9 times 4 equals $36. So this here is in $36. And that's recurring income. So as long as the members are happy, let's call that RC, recurring commissions, every single month. So now you are into profit, because $15 a month is all you will ever pay. You get your free autoresponder that for that. So that's the product you're going to get. But $15 a month is all you're going to pay. That never goes up every single month. So you can see there, you're now $21 into profit. And then we go on to the next level. So you see the next level 3, my level 3 is starting to fill up. Got to fill a couple of spaces here. These have left. That's the nature of the industry. Don't worry if somebody leaves, because sometimes they come back. And sometimes it's just the nature of the industry. People will come and people will go. So on your level 3, you can still earn fast start commissions, like I just shown you on the beginning of the video. But then when you fill level 3, you've got 27 members in there, and 27 times 4 is $144 every single month. So now you are nicely into profit. You've broken that $100 a month barrier in recurring income. And remember, you're still paying 15, but you're receiving 144. That's recurring commissions. And then when you keep going, so don't just rely on the team rotator. We teach you how to promote yourself. I'm going to show you all the free tools that we're going to give you and the free resources. 81 times 4, and this is just one matrix of 3. But we're going to focus on this first matrix first and get you into profit. And that's $468 of recurring commissions every single month. And that's really now when it starts to get really interesting, because you're still paying just $15. Get your free autoresponder. Then down here, there's a second matrix. I'm not going to go into that today. I want to focus and help you, support and train you, get into profit and fill these first 4 levels. Then you are well on your way. So let's have a look now at the free resources and tools and training we give you. So we give you all the lead capture page. These are all done for you. It's a complete done for you system. We use the Leads Leap platform, and within Leads Leap, they have what's called share codes. Leads Leap is free to join, and it's a free lifetime membership, and we give you these share codes. And all you do is copy and paste it into Leads Leap with a few clicks. Got video instructions down here how to do it. It's really beginner friendly. If you're brand new, if you haven't made your first dollar online yet, or you're struggling to make some consistent commissions, it's a great program for you to get started with. So we give you these share codes, and then what happens is you're going to get these lead capture pages that you can promote. These will be just the copy and paste, and the share codes will give you these, and then you'll have all your own affiliate links. Your prospects will come into here, so you'll have all your own leads, generate your own prospects, and we even give you a list and an email series here. There's no subject lines to create. There's no email copy. It's all done for you. Email series to follow up for here. So, and all the traffic training, I'll mentor you one-to-one, give you all the traffic training if you want some help on how to get traffic and promote this offer as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. So I'd really appreciate that, because if you give me a like, then that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing a new video every single day, and so new content on a daily basis. And if you've got any questions at all on Wealth Step by Step, then please leave those in the comments below, because I'm using it every single day to build my online business. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like some one-to-one mentoring, or you'd like some help with traffic, or any other aspects of building your wealth step-by-step program. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.